we are discussing second point in property number 7. What is second point? Integration a to a plus nt fx dx. So this we can add n times integration 0 to t fx dx. Okay, where t is fundamental period of fx and n belongs to integer. Okay, so this is second point. Now we will discuss proof. Okay, integration a to a plus n times of t fx dx. Okay, so this one what we can write? This one we can write integration a to 0 fx dx plus integration 0 to nt fx dx plus integration nt to nt plus a fx dx. This we can write. Okay, a to 0 plus 0 to nt, so this will come a to nt. Okay, then a to nt plus nt to nt plus a, then what will come? A to a plus nt fx dx. That means this will come. Okay, so this thing we can separate in terms of three terms: this one, this one, and this one. Okay, now what you will do? This one is as it is, integration a to 0 fx dx as it is, plus in this one we can use first point 0 to nt fx dx. So t is what? Fundamental period of fx. T is fundamental period of fx, and n is what? Integer. So here if you use first point, so this one we can write n times 0 to t fx dx plus. Now here what you will do? Here instead of x, what we will put? N times capital T plus p we are putting. Okay, so dx equal to what will come? dp. Okay, and this integration what will become? Integration. If I put lower value is what? N times capital T. So if I put here, so p value what will come? 0, and upper value is what? Nt plus e. So if you put here, what will come? Nt plus a. If you put, so p value what will come? E, and f of what will come? N times capital T plus p into dp. This will come. Okay, now here if I interchange the limit, so here what will come? Minus integration 0 to a fx dx. Here we are changing limit, so if you change the limit, minus sign will come, plus n times integration 0 to t fx dx plus integration 0 to a f of nt plus p. So nt is what? Period will be there. Okay, so nt is period of f, so f of nt plus p we can write what? F of p dp. This we can write. Okay, so here what will come? Minus of integration 0 to a fx dx plus n times 0 to capital T fx dx plus, here instead of p we can put x, so this will come out integration 0 to a fx dx. This will come, and you can see this is getting cancelled. So what will come here? N times integration 0 to t fx dx. Okay, this is your proof. Next is third point in property number 7. So third point is what? Integration a plus nt to b plus nt fx dx. So this will come integration a to b fx dx. Okay, where t is fundamental period of fx and n is what? Integer. N is integer. So here what will come? Now we will discuss proof. Okay, integration a plus nt to b plus nt fx dx. Okay, so here simple substitution we have to do. So instead of x, what we will put here? N times capital T plus p. So here dx equal to what will come dp. Okay, so here what will come integration. If I put lower limit a plus nt, so if you put a plus nt here, so p value what will come a, and if you put upper limit b plus nt here, so upper limit will come b. F of instead of x what will come nt plus p, n times capital T plus p, and dx what will come dp. Okay, now f of nt plus p, so nt is what, period. So if nt is period, so f of nt plus p we can add f of p. So this will come a to b f of p dp. This will come. Okay, this we can convert in terms of x. So this will be integration a to b fx dx. This will come. Okay, this is point number 3. Okay, here only I am discussing point number 4. What is point number 4? If I have integration n1 t2 n2 t fx dx. Okay, so this one we can add what, n2 minus n1 integration 0 to t fx dx. This we can add. Okay, where n2 minus n1 belongs to integer. If n2 minus n1 belongs to integer, then n1 t2 n2 t fx dx we can add n2 minus n1 0 to t fx dx we can write. Okay, now we will discuss proof. Okay, proof is very simple. Okay, so what we will do here, instead of x we will put what, n1 capital T plus p we will put. So dx equal to what will come dp. This will come. So integration this limit, if I put lower limit n1 t, so what will come n1 t, if you put, so lower limit of p will be 0, and if I put n2 t here, so upper limit will become n2 minus n1 t will come. If I put here n2 t, so here what will come n2 t minus n1 t equal to p will come. So n2 minus n1 capital T equal to p will come. Okay, and fx dx. Okay, if n2 minus n1 is integer and t is what, period of fx, so first point, according to first point we can say this one, n2 minus n1 integration 0 to t fx dx. This will come. Okay, so by using first point we can prove fourth point. Okay.